Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about vision boards. So this was heavily requested because I have been making a vision board for the past couple of days and I've shared it on stories and a lot of you have had questions, how to make one, what you should include. So I'm just going to go over all of that. It's so easy, so I'm assuming this video is going to be pretty short, but you guys know that I could talk forever, so we'll see about that. I just think it's really important to like set goals and check in with yourself, and I also think that it's just like a fun activity to do with yourself with like either a nice coffee or some wine. I am filming this in the morning, so I'm just going to make my morning coffee while I'm chatting with you guys, and I've actually been drinking iced coffee recently, and it's been pretty good. I've been getting it from Trader Joe's, and it's like the coconut coffee concentrate. The ice thing in our fridge is broken, so I have to like go directly to the ice container up here. But I decided to make a vision board because I really like making them. I made one in the beginning of 2020, but I felt like my priorities were not straight. Like I was just not in a good headspace. At the beginning of 2020, I was just like kind of really sad, to be honest, and I was really anxious, and I just like wasn't in a place to be setting goals for myself. So now that I feel like I'm in a much better headspace, I think that it's a good time to just go for it and talk about the things that I really want. And the way that I'm setting it up, I have like, my vision board is like things that I want to accomplish within the next 5 years. This is the coffee that I'm using, by the way. I just talked about it, but it's from Trader Joe's. It's the coconut concentrate cold brew. I'm just gonna fill it to about there, maybe a little more. And then I'm going to fill a third with water. This coffee is so yummy. If you guys have a Trader Joe's near you, you gotta get some. Once you're done with the vision board, you're supposed to hang it somewhere that you'll see it every single day, so you can remind yourself of those goals. And I just think they're so fun because everyone's looks so different. Like my 5-year goals and things that I want to accomplish look so much different than your 5-year goals. So your vision board is going to look entirely different than my vision board. And one thing that I did create was a, oh wait, this looks so pretty. Wow. This is Chobani oat milk, by the way, vanilla flavored. It's really good. One thing that I did create for you guys is a Pinterest board that just includes some things about vision boards and some things that you can include in yours. I'll talk about like visually what's like pleasing to see on a vision board like once we get to my office, but it's just like some inspiration there, so I'm gonna leave the link for that in the description. Let's get to it. Okay, this is random, but I taught Mia how to shake. I hope that I can get this on camera. Mia, sit. Shake. No, shake. Shake. Good girl! This is my vision board. I still have to finish one little part up here. There's some like blank space up here. I did cover a few of the more personal things with post-it notes, but overall this is what it looks like. It's just a giant collage. Before we get into exactly what I put on here, I'm going to talk about things, like general things that you should be putting on your board. Really focus on what's important to you. I'm sorry if you hear like crawling. Mia crawled right under the seat that I'm sitting in. Oh, let me just show you what she's... Mia. What are you doing, girl? The whole reason for the vision board is to set high expectations for yourself, remind yourself of those expectations, and then eventually accomplish the goals that you have set out for you. So really, nothing is off limits. Push yourself, put something on there that's outside of your comfort zone, and really just like hold yourself to higher standards. I know I've already stated that I'm setting my board up for 5 years, but you can do it for 3 months. You can set it up for 6 months. You can set it up for whatever time frame that you want it to be, so don't feel pressured to like put all of your hopes and dreams for the next 5 years on a board. There are a few categories that you should make certain get onto your vision board, so I'm just gonna read them off. The first should be personal growth. The second should be health. The third should be business/education. The next should be your relationship, not only your relationship like with your partner, but also with your family, like your spiritual relationship, and then other miscellaneous things like travel and hobbies and just things that you want to include in your life. On your board, there should also be things that just make you happy to see. Like I have wine on mine, I have like a kiss on mine. I just have like little quotes and words that really stand out to me that are just like cute and artistic that I found from Pinterest. So definitely check out my Pinterest board. I saved a lot of cute things on there. To get into the arts and crafts of it all, you should have, first of all, like a giant poster board. I have like a hard poster board, which if you get a flimsy one, it's kind of hard to work on. And then I got this black sticker paper for matting. I got this glitter paper for matting, and then I also got this light pink paper for matting. I got these studs just to go around the pictures. They're sticker studs. I got these silver stars, glitter stars, which I thought were super cute, and then these pink studs, and then lettering. I cannot believe I almost forgot the most important part. You need double-sided tape. Like, this is a necessity. You can use a glue stick, but it gets sort of messy and the pictures like slide everywhere, so I definitely recommend double-sided tape. And then this tape has some dimension to it, as you can see, so if you want anything to like pop out of your board, definitely recommend getting this. Okay, so now let's dive into my vision board. I do think that it's really important for it to be aesthetically pleasing because the point of it is to hang it somewhere where you see it every day, so if you're not happy looking at it, then there's really no point for it. Like, it's supposed to make you happy, it's supposed to make you feel like you can do all of these things. First things first, I think it's really important to put your name and what you want people to call you, or what you want people to refer to you as, just so that's like a constant reminder of like where you're going, what your goals are. And then I just have random things on here like breathe, and I have some things about God. I have my travel-ish plans on this side, so this is London, Amsterdam. I also have New York on here, New York Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, and then just some aspirational quotes. Like, this is one of my favorite quotes from Cher. And then remember that once you dreamed of being where you are now. I have like just like a little kiss accent, some quotes, my logo, just like a cute comfy outfit inspo, my dream office inspo. Let me see if you can see that. I would like to own a house within the next 5 years, and I would also like to be married within the next 5 years. Just some like fitness reminders, some quotes up here. I love this rainbow. This makes me so happy. I matted it on some glitter paper, and you can see where I use like the glitter accents and the studs and the stars up here. My goal is financial freedom. That's what I have on my board. Let's see if you can see it well enough. I hope that was helpful. I just want to remind all of you that like, if you really set your mind to your goals, you can do it. Like, you really, like, you are so capable of doing these things, I promise. I will warn you that it is not as easy as it looks. So you wanna like set everything up on the board first to get a general idea of where everything's gonna be. But towards the end, once you've glued everything on, you're gonna realize that there are some spaces that are just like awkward and hard to tackle. So for example, that for me would have been like this black line here and then this little peach thing. So basically what I did was I just matted it with the materials I had to mat with. Like, this is just like black paper under this, and then I put studs over it to sort of distract that it was an empty space. So it is hard towards the end because you start running out of space for things, but make sure you get a big enough board and just go for it. Like, it's so fun. Have a girls' night. Oh my gosh, that's what I want to do. I want to like get together with my friends and help them make vision boards. That would be so fun, like a wine vision board night with your gal pals. One thing that you should definitely do is print out a lot of different shapes and sizes of pictures so you can really do a good job mixing and matching, and so they flow together in the collage a lot better. And then just pulling out my vision board again. And then pulling some pop-up pictures. So for example, I have like this cute heck yes, handwriting, and that I used like a pop-up sticker underneath. Then I used a pop-up sticker for the rainbow, also for like a ring and the kiss, and this little quote down here. These are all pop-ups, so I think for it to go cohesively, you should have some pop-ups on there just to like blend the pictures together, and it just looks cute. Again, I do need to put something here. I just don't know what I'm gonna put there yet. And I love this, AM coffee, PM wine. That's a whole vibe. If you guys have any questions, you guys know that you can always comment, you can always DM me. We can always chat about what you should put on your vision board. I'd be happy to help you out. And definitely check out my Pinterest board with all of my vision board inspiration. That is going to be linked in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video. This was a really fun video to make just because I feel like a lot of you are actually gonna go through with this and make your own vision board. Please, please tag me once you're done making yours. I would absolutely love to see it. Don't press yourself too hard with the goals that you put on there. It's just fun and it's just exciting to think about your future and the things that you can accomplish. So have fun making it. Thank you so much for watching this video. We are so close to 100 subscribers, so please subscribe and also hit that bell icon. It'll give you a notification every time that I post. Make sure that you tag me in your vision boards. I would absolutely love to see them. Also, if you try the coffee that I showed you earlier in this video, also tag me. I would love to hear your thoughts, opinions, or if you have that coffee and you make it a different way, let me know because I'm always looking to switch up my routine. So, all that being said, you should also check me out on Instagram at Mel Galman, and I will see you guys next week.